Hello everyone! Keeping your garden or potted plants hydrated can feel like a chore, especially during those hot summer months. That's where the Raindrip R560DP automatic drip irrigation watering kit comes in. A convenient system designed to water up to 20 plants with ease. How well does it live up to the promise of saving time and effort? Let's find out. Let's start with setup. The Raindrip R560DP is designed for simplicity, even if you're new to drip irrigation. The kit includes 75 feet of tubing, a water timer, 20 pressure-compensating drippers, clamps, and all the connectors you'll need. Here's how to set it up. Attach the timer, connect the included water timer to your outdoor faucet, lay out the tubing, arrange the tubing throughout your garden or patio to reach each plant. Connect the drippers, use the fittings to attach the drippers and place them at the base of your plants. Once that's done, program the timer to your desired schedule and you're ready to go. It's quick, intuitive, and takes the guesswork out of water. Let's talk about design. The tubing is durable and UV resistant, ensuring it holds up in outdoor conditions. The black color blends discreetly into your garden or containers. The pressure compensating drippers are the real standout here, delivering a consistent 1/2 gallon of water per hour so every plant gets the care it needs. The included timer lets you fully automate your schedule, making this kit a solid choice for gardeners with busy lifestyles. Let's break it down with some pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Comprehensive kit with all essential components including a water timer, consistent water flow thanks to the pressure compensating drippers. Easy setup, perfect for beginners. Highly water-taught and scalable for larger gardens. Now let's talk about the cons. The timer is functional but may not be as durable as premium models. Tubing can feel stiff during initial setup, especially in cooler weather. Let's look at what the customers had to say in their feedback regarding the product. After looking at the features, pros and cons, and customer feedback, we'd rate it a solid 4.2 out of 5. The Raindrip R560DP automatic drip irrigation watering kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to simplify their garden maintenance. It's easy to install, water received, and highly customizable for different plant setups. What do you think? Is this a system you'd add to your garden? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product insights. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.